Y'all know I'm known for cooking things outside the box. That's what I do. What I'm gonna try today is a nacho dish. Not just any nacho dish. This is gonna fuck you up. Chicken Caesar salad nachos. I'm gonna make sure I incorporate all the classic ingredients of a Caesar salad in these nachos. Now for the chicken, we're gonna start that now. We're gonna season it, and I'm gonna throw it on the grill. Honestly, everything just tastes better on the grill or in the smoker. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have our thinly sliced chicken breast. If you wanna use chicken thighs, cool, but when it comes to a Caesar salad, chicken breast, come on, man. Now first we're gonna add some pesto. I love pesto, it goes good with grilled chicken. If you don't believe me, try it. Now let's add a little bit of chicken bouillon, onion powder, because I love it. And y'all should know that by now. Cracked black pepper. Now let's get our hands dirty. All right, let's make the cheese sauce. I told you this is gonna be a different type of cheese sauce. This is not gonna be cheese whiz, cheddar, Velveeta. We're going straight Parmesan. First, half stick of butter. Now we're gonna add a little bit of seasoning. We have our onion powder, y'all already know because I love it. Garlic powder, chicken bouillon, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Make us a little roux. Smooth those lumps out. Hot milk. Always have hot milk. It thickens it up fast. Parmesan cheese. A lot of it. Fire. Already had some. Fire. All right, now let's make our Caesar salad. Time to plate. Now when I make my nachos, I like to layer them, at least 2, because I hate having nachos where there's no cheese, nothing on it at the bottom. I know this shit look crazy, but it looks good. And there you have it. Pesto chicken, Caesar salad, nachos. All right, it's time to eat, Sonny. Let's go. What? That's nothing. You've had better.
Are you eat?
I told y'all I was gonna do it. Grilled chicken, Caesar salad, nachos, Parmesan cheese sauce. Yeah, make sure you got everything on there. Oh no. Yeah.
That's actually really good.
Told you. One more bite. Ridiculous. Is this healthy? No. The chicken is.
Now they're gonna want nachos with Parmesan cheese instead of other cheese.
Too bad we gotta throw this shit away.
Why?
You ain't about to eat all this shit. You gonna put it in the microwave, I'm gonna eat it later, and I'm gonna throw it away in the morning.
Why can't I eat this later? You got lettuce in it.
Exactly. This is a eat now or nothing. Oh, I said one more bite. I already had that bite. I ain't gonna do it.
This is really better than I expected.
Appreciate it, my nigga. Hey, that's the only way she'll eat chicken breast. She won't raw dog it. Damn, I want one more bite.
I can see myself asking for this for dinner.
On some healthy shit. I want some semi-healthy nachos. I'm taking one more bite. Fuck it. I'm taking one more bite.
Give me some healthy nachos, nigga. Like I said, whatever this nigga made. The only thing he ever made that was nasty was the fucking liver.
It was good to me. Ah.
I'm about to put this on my calorie counter and see how much. How many calories is the Caesar, what's it called, nachos?
It's probably not as bad if you just like, you know, eat a third of it.
I mean, the only thing really bad is the cheese sauce and the tortillas.
I mean, but how bad is Parmesan cheese anyway? Cheddar? Yeah.
They said Parm is actually good for you.
Yeah. No more. No.
No, I ain't saying
No
I wasn't.
more.
Whatever. The fuck? You act like it's fried chicken or something. It's a salad.
With fried tortillas.
Whatever. Did I say one more? I didn't say that on this episode. That's you.
The funny thing is, when I told her what I was making, she was like,
I wasn't.
what?
I wasn't feeling it. Like what? I mean, but I knew it was gonna be good because when I make my salads at home, I'll put the tortilla thingies on there. So I knew.
You like a crunch. You like crunch on everything.
Yeah. Parmesan cheese sauce, baby.
Fire.
Ooh, I want to put it on the baked potato.
Parmesan? With the grilled chicken?
Pesto? Ooh. Do it.
No, I always, whatever she tell me to cook, I'm gonna cook. Unless it's like, it took me a minute to do the pasta dish, but.
That's just because you don't like Alfredo.
Whatever.
You don't really like pasta, period, though.
It's like the thing with Alfredo, though, if you want mac and cheese, just say that.
I don't. I won't.
That's all, though. This is damn near mac and cheese.
Pasta is different from macaroni and cheese.
You know macaroni and cheese is pasta. If you want the recipe for the Parmesan cheese sauce, down in the description. As far as the Caesar dressing, I can drop a recipe down in the description as well. But, man, just go buy some Hidden Valley or some Lighthouse.
Nah, make it. That shit nasty.
Mm-hmm. All
You
right.
gotta give them the recipe.
All right, I'll give y'all the recipe. That'll be down in the description as well. You gotta try it.
It's good.
Just try it.
I can't lie, it's good.
I ain't gonna lie, this video gonna have your head fucked up like, fuck that, I gotta try it. Just try it. Smoke one.
If you like nachos, this
is it.
You gonna fuck with it.
This is it.
You gotta make your tortillas though. Like don't do
Gotta
no
make
chips.
your own tortillas. Do not do Tostitos, none of that shit.
You gotta get this.
Cut up some yellow corn tortillas, throw them in the fryer for probably for like 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
That crunch never leaves. This shit, look it. I don't want to take another bite. But this sauce been on here for like 5 to 7 minutes.
Crunch it.
Crunch is a bitch. Oh my God.
They want to do that. They head bounce.
Man, so like I said, recipe to the dressing and the cheese sauce down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.